Located in the air intake system, the electronic throttle body controls the amount of airflow in the engine as the driver steps on and off the accelerator pedal. Faulty electronic throttle bodies can lead to decreased power, poor fuel economy, and poor drivability. Meeting the demand for high-quality replacements, NAPA Echlin offers a line of more than 200 electronic throttle bodies. Each unit is 100% new, never remanufactured. Plus, each NAPA Echlin electronic throttle body undergoes extensive in-house testing at NAPA Echlin's engineering department in Long Island City, New York. There, the engineers validate every step of the manufacturing process, from assembly to testing. The result is a high-quality replacement with coverage for an array of domestic and import vehicles. As the premier engine management brand in the aftermarket, NAPA Echlin leads the way in advanced automotive technology.